Hello, welcome to my review show. So today we got another food review. There's a new chicken burger at Wendy's called the Sweet Thai Chili Chicken Burger, I believe. Something like that. Anyway, it looks pretty good, but it looks spicy, so here we go. Well, let's try it. Let's go.
Well,
So here we go, the Sweet Thai Chicken, Sweet Thai Chili Chicken Sandwich, I believe it's called. I didn't get a receipt, so let me turn that car off first. I didn't get a receipt, but I believe it was $6.79 plus tax, somewhere in there. So here we are, and whoa, it's all falling apart. But here's a look. But let's take a closer look. All right, so here we are. That's a nice looking bun. Looks like a nice fresh bun. So we take the lid off. We got onions there, and it looks like some sort of chips. Almost like, are they pickles? Pickled chips, almost looking like. I don't know, I'll have to taste it. There are pickles on there as well. Looks like mayo. And then there's your lettuce, and there's your sweet Thai chili sauce on a spicy chicken breast. Underneath, nothing. All right, looks good, but let's see how it tastes. Okay, so there's a lot of sauce on here, a lot of Thai chili sauce. Again, here's these chips. Yeah, I believe they're pickle chips. That's what they taste like. All right, let's give this a try. I do like the Wendy's burger, chicken burger. Okay, there's definitely some heat there. Not only is it spicy chicken, the Thai sauce, I'm sure, has some spice to it. Pretty good looking piece of chicken. Your usual spicy chicken. I didn't taste much of the pickles though. There's maybe 2 or 3 pickles on here. If you like your chicken sandwich with pickles, this one wasn't prepared very well. Let's give this bite a try. I see a pickle here and some pickle chips. It is messy. It tastes good. I'm not getting a lot of Thai sauce on it. Maybe it was just the way it was made. So yeah, this is it's pretty good. It's not the best chicken burger that I've had, but it's not the worst. I'd probably score this a 7 out of 10. Maybe it's just the way it was made. If you've had it and you thought it was really good, let me know in the comments below. But I thought I could use maybe another 1 or 2 pickles and maybe a little bit more sauce, actually. Maybe all the sauce is in a certain spot. But yeah, the Wendy's spicy Thai chili chicken or something like that is it's good. Probably wouldn't buy it again. I give it a 7. All right, that's it for this review. I'm going to finish this off, and we'll check you out on the next review.